I've got a little trick to get fast sales on my KDP books. Kind of like I use it, my clients in my growth squad use it, and we typically get new sales on new books in about 7 to 10 days. I'm going to share with you the trick now. It's very, very simple to do. It's something you could do right now. This is the first time we're meeting. My name is Jase Perry. I show people how to create their first $1,000 on KDP. Subscribe if you want to learn more about that. Okay, let me just do a little mind experiment with you right now. Think of the last time you bought a book. What was the reason why you bought it? Now, most KDP sellers now creating book upon books, very easy with AI, but they're forgetting there's a human being, a customer on the other side that will buy that book. Now, switch yourself around to you being a customer, buying books. What was the last book you bought and why did you buy it? Because there's a reason why you bought it, right? It either solved the problem, maybe it's like fun, maybe it's like a gift for someone. There's a reason why you bought it. And more often than not, I would say pretty much every single time, the reason you bought it, based on those three things, is because of the title. And that's what we're going to talk about today. The power of titles. See, pretty much every KDP seller that I've dealt with, and I'm coming up to about 1,000 now in my program, they see the book cover, and it's got the title there. They see this as one thing. It's not actually one thing. It's two things. And let's see if I can get a bit dramatic now. It is the cover design and the title. Do you like that? I just freestyled that. Okay. And it's this bad boy here. This is what sells your book. That's why you can have books like this and this that are making more money than most people dream of making on KDP, and there's literally no cover design. It's all on the title. Okay, so title is one thing. Once you can understand the customer well enough, which most KDP sellers don't even think about, it's a very good skill. Think about that customer, and that's why. Sorry, I'm just going on from the segue here. That's why it's very important to pick a customer you kind of know, interested in, because you'll see little details that most won't. And from that, you'll be able to craft a good title that will sell your book. Okay, so once you figure out a good title, the cover design, the only job of the cover design now is to make sure that that title is shown in the best way possible. That's what the cover design is for. That doesn't sell the book. The title sells the book. The cover is just going to show the title to the book, to the customer in the best way possible. And a couple of quick tips on that is the typography. Again, it serves the title. You saw those books there. Very, very simple typography. Probably because the titles are so big. If they started adding some fancy fonts there, it would confuse the customer. They wouldn't be able to read it quick enough. And a bit of confusion means you lose the sale. So they kept it very, very simple. Very, very easy to read. Yeah, nothing fancy about that. Okay, so the typography serves the title. The cover design needs to be easy to read at thumbnail size. Simple trick for this is when you've done your cover design, just zoom out. Look at it as though you're looking at it from your phone, right? Because that's where most people are buying from. Okay, typography and simple and clear. Make sure the title is simple and clear. My rule of thumb with this is that a 10-year-old can understand it. Okay, so think about it like that. Once you've got your title, you know your customer likes his title. Don't mess it up with the cover design. The cover design needs to serve the title. Everything serves the title because the title sells the book. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give me a little like and subscribe if you want more to see more videos like this from me. See you in the next one.